So the drama between Madesh Kulu and of course Shit is far from being over, you guys. I'm sure by now you might have been following the drama that happened for the whole week, whereby an audio was leaked of Shit's alleged side chick Madesh Arwana Lee, the baby mama. Kulu, the main Kulu, and in the audio, Madesh Mujarata King Shabashit is mine. Aswara Aliteri. He is also mine. As a matter of fact, Kirawejili not once, not twice, but on multiple occasions. Now, the most shocking plot twist was when she announced that Okara, there's a bun in the oven, Okara Mile, you guys, and people thought that Madesh was actually bluffing. Well, girl would look at the receipt and posted these pregnancy photo or baby bum or something like that, and indeed there's a bun in the oven. Now the question remains, is it really Shebashit's child, despite him denying ever having le Madesh? Despite him coming out on social media, Arana Arazaking Madesh, no, nko botse batho ba ke nnete man, nna le wena we're not an item. A re dirile tšeo, a re robalane, you're just a fan, ke tšere snepe le wena, and that's it. Despite this picture, which Madesh also leaked to Polokwane Groovest, they're in bed, and everything, and Shit Ashue Kahara in bed. Well, he says that, you know what, nothing happened between Nna le Ngwano. Ngwano is just a fan at all. The audio and whatnot, I could say he is adamant or oh no, actually this and that. While Kolo alikile go defend Lucho la gagwe a re yena, she doesn't even remember talking to Manuki, and Oriana should never stoop so low as to talk to Decide and everything. She tried to clear her name, but it is clear, I must say, judging from the voice, it is definitely her, you guys. What do you think about this whole situation? Do you think Badesh shit and that they were a couple, or do you think that she's just bluffing? Of course, do share your thoughts with me in the comments section down below.
When I saw a fan who windmill or drive whatsoever. Offending Wagi Gushishi. Tordisha Rapallo Jadine Pelavaniana. Oh, my papa, moto commentary. Ushijiga mail. I guess a topless motherfucker, man. I guess a topless shooter. And I guess Hey, my Madesh, how are you feeling? Who feeling? How's he feeling? Time it, time. Lo edita la redita le na man. La re pick mix la re Photoshop la re. Oh shit. Aish.